You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show, Cooking with Jack show. Jack Scalfani here. We're going to probably fail today. I just don't see this working out. But who knows? We're going to do carnivore raviolis. It's going to be interesting. We're going to do the best we can. I took two different recipes. This is even worse. I took two recipes and combined them. I like the noodles from one and the stuffing from another. So, if this works out, I promise to share the recipe with you. But come on in close, and I'll show you what we're doing for each part. All right, guys, first of all, cream cheese and egg. We're going to use that to make the noodles for our raviolis, okay? Stuffing is going to be sausage, seasonings, ricotta cheese, and parmesan cheese. Then we're going to stuff a little bit in each one. Should be delicious. But once again, let's see. Who knows? You guys always get excited for failure. I love it. And I might do that. But I have a feeling it's going to be either amazing or just okay. I don't think it's going to be bad. So let's try this out, and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, guys, look at this. I got the whole cream cheese in here because we're doubling the batch. The recipe only says 4 ounces, but we're doing the whole thing. Check this out. Do you know what that is? That is a mixing lid. The blades go through the center and stop it from splashing all over the place. Because we're going to be adding 8 eggs in with the cream cheese. So I'm going to start with just 2 eggs. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to get my lid. Make sure it works. Yep. And slowly, I think.
Hey, it works.
All right, so let's set that on its side. Well, just like that. Taking a little bit of salt, pop that in there. Get 2 more eggs in there. Slowly mix it again. Get yourself a cookie sheet. Put some parchment paper on it. Square it off. Slowly pour in our egg noodle batter. There we go. Go ahead and let it naturally spread. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is let this naturally go to the corners, go everywhere. It'll be about a 1/8 thickness. So go ahead and bake this at 325. So you probably want to go run over to your stove, get it to 325. You're going to pop this in 8 to 10 minutes. You may have a hotter oven, I don't know. You may pull it out on 8 minutes. You may feel better about 10. Basically, we're baking the noodles, then we'll slice it so that we can stuff them. While you're putting this in the oven, that's a perfect time to start browning all your sausage. Get all your sausage cooked up, all right? So once this comes out, we'll have it all cooked and ready to be filled. The noodles are cooking, so let's start mixing everything. We're going to start with the meat. Get the meat in this bowl. Gonna grab some cheese, ricotta. I'm gonna do about half the container. By the way, ricotta cheese is amazing. You've never had it, you can even make dessert with it. There we go. Take a little parmesan. Not all of it, just a little bit. Little onion powder. Nothing like onion powder. Okay. Little garlic powder. Of course, I got a bigger thing. Garlic powder. Go easy. I could see too much spilling in here. And give it a little more. There we go. Red pepper flakes, if you don't like spicy, don't use them. I think we got everything. Give it a good mix. You're going to cut yourself some noodles out of this, okay? Now, if you think about it, it's square, but it's folded over stuffing. So it's really kind of a rectangle. So let's just divide this in two. There we go. And then go ahead and make strips. Like that. So this is probably the toughest part of the recipe, because when you fold the noodle over, it kind of breaks. So what you have to do is reform it. That's what she's doing right now. She's reshaping the noodle with the stuffing in it. And then she's placing it in an air fryer. So thankfully there's cream cheese all throughout it, and it's helping it stick together. We're going to make the sauce really quick. Take a stick of butter. Put that in there. Once that's melted, grab the heavy whipping cream. We'll show you. You're going to kind of eyeball this. Some people like a thicker sauce. Some people like a thinner. Some measurements are kind of useless when it comes to that. Okay, once the butter's all melted, go ahead and pour in your heavy whipping cream. You can probably use half and half. I would use about half the container. If you need more, you can use it. Okay. Take some cheese. We're using parmesan. Melts really good in the sauce. Get that all mixed in. We got our cheese sauce done. Gonna apply it now to the raviolis. Now as these cool, they'll get a little bit cheesier, a little bit thicker, the sauce. All right, here we go. It tastes better than luck. It tastes really good. I'm very surprised. I think we need to perfect the noodles. Let me know how in the comments you would make them more pliable. I don't know, gelatin, butter, who knows? But we're all trying to learn together. This tastes really good. Looks not as pretty as raviolis, but tastes really good. All right, guys. So I'm going to nibble on this. I'll see you in the next video. Write me if you need me. I love you. Bye. God bless.